Hello,
ladies and
gentlemen.
gentlemen. Today we are students from CCIT Faculty of Engineering, University of Indonesia. We'll do a presentation about our networking project on computer lab. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Adi Satroyaksono.
My name is Paslian Satrafael.
My name is Ramadan Isya.
As we said before, our networking project takes computer lab as the implementation of networking. The reason why we take this topic is nowadays is the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0, which bring many sophisticated technology that make there's inevitable new job opportunities. In order to make career at the new job opportunities, we need skill that can be learned from computer lab. Before we talk more deep about computer lab networking, it's better to know what is computer lab itself. Computer lab is a place to learn and practice that related to computer science that consists of few computers in one network. The next is hardware that needed in our computer lab networking design. Let's start with the upper left one. It was an absolute CCTV with the function to monitor all conditions in the computer lab. It had 4 megapixel camera, 1080 pixel resolution and infrared. The next is DVR high look to save the recorded video by CCTV. It has 8 channel and 1080 pixel resolution. The next is HP M24 FWA monitor to display interface integrated by the related hardware. It has 24-inch screen size with full HD and VGA and HDMI port. The next is HP All-in-One 24 DF1010D bundle PC to be used by teacher and by student to learn and practice. The PC processor is i5 Gen 11 with 24-inch screen size, 8 GB of RAM, and 1 TB of SATA HDD. Next is HP DeskJet 2336 to print document and other things related to printer. You can print on various media like plain paper, photo, and brochure paper. Next is ZM380AS Gooseneck microphone, an input audio device to be used by teacher. It can respond audio frequency from 50 Hz to 18,000 Hz. The next is Behringer Senis 802 mixer, a device to connect and set up microphone to speaker. It has voice output like phone, stereo, CD, speaker, etc.
Behringer CE 500A speaker. Port with 80 watt and support frequency response 60 Hz until 23 kHz. And the function from the speaker as a output audio device. Next is Ugreen splitter 2 VGA, input with 5 volt and 1 in 2 out. And the function of this VGA port is to split VGA into 2 ports. Next, Gearlook CL770 projector, support with resolution 1K80p, interface 345 mm audio, HV, AV, HDMI, USB, and VGA. And the function from this projector is to display objects or data like text, image, or video from the teacher computer to the screen. Next is iBright Screen Manual 102-inch. And the function of the screen is to make the object or data from projector display more properly. Next, HPE ProLiant ML35 Gen 10 server, support with 16 GB RDAMM with 4 port, and the function from the server is to access, hold, and transfer all files and data in a network environment. And next is LSG1024D 24 port Gigabyte desktop or Rackmount switch, and support with 24 ports and innovate energy efficient technology save power consumption. And the function from the switch is to be able to connect to a number of end device and to tend to exchange computer network and forward data to various destination device.
The next computer lab hardware specification are the first one is router. This type of router is indoor RB450GX4. Max power consumption is 11 watt. CPU of this router is IPK 4019 716 MHz. Size of RAM is 1 GB. Storage size is 512 MB. Ethernet ports is 5 port. And the last one, switch chip in this router is 1 chip. Next is modem. The mark of this modem is IndiHome. The type of this modem is ZTE F609. Wide area network is using 1SG/APC port for GPON. Local area network is using 4RG45 ports 4 GB. Ethernet interface. For region exchange subscribers using 2RG11 ports for VoIP. And last one, USB in this modem is using one USB 2.0 host interface. Next is generator set. This mark of this generator set is Honda, and model of this genset is Honda ER2500 GX. AC volt or frequency this generator set is 220 volt /50 Hz. Output rate is 1600 watt. Output max is 2000 watt. DC output is 12 volt until 8.3 ampere. Voltage regulation system is using AVR. Next is mouse. We use Mac XP. The type of this mouse is option wireless mouse 200. This mouse use red light technology, and the sensor of this mode is 1000 dpi optical sensor. Hardware compatibility is available USB port. And next, the keyboard. The mark of this keyboard is XP. The type of this keyboard is K130. This keyboard use connection type USB wire 2.0. Cable length is 1.8 mm. And the last one is cable. We use this cable. The type is StarTech Cat6 Ethernet Gigabyte SFTP. Number of conductor is 4 pair SFTP. The cable jacket material PVC polyvinyl chloride. Rating GMG rated cable type side necklace.
Next is software. The software is a set of instruction, data, or programs used to operate computer and execute specific tasks. And the first software that we use in this computer lab is Windows 10 Home 2019 version as a operating system for PC, for student PC and teacher PC. And second is Microsoft Office 2019 used for students to study like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other. And next, CorelDRAW is for students to learn some design. And next is Photoshop for students to learn about editing and other. And next is Windows Server 2019 and WinGate is to security the network from the PC. Next is provider. The provider that we use for this lab computer is IndiHome that support 100 Mbps speed.
Okay, this is the network topology design from our computer lab project. In the computer lab, there are two CCTV which are connected to the DVR and enter the monitor screen. Then two speakers connected to the mixer and additional mic for the teacher. And then 21 PCs consisting of 20 PCs of student and 1 PC of teachers are interconnected with an RJ45 cable to the switch to connect to the internet. Then in the lab, there is also a router connected to a switch and one server to control student PCs. And finally, the router is also connected by an IndiHome modem so that the computer lab gets an internet signal.
Network floor design. This lab computer is facilitated with one genset, and also this lab computer have one modem, one router, one server, and monitor for the server. And also this lab computer is have 21 PC, 10 on the right, 10 on the left, and one on the in front is for the teacher. And all the PC and all the PC is connected with speech that have 24 port. And also this lab computer is facilitated with one projector and printer that connect with PC teacher. And also this lab computer have a microphone and speaker for the teacher to speak so the student can hear teacher voice clearly. And also, this lab computer is facilitated with CCTV that connect to DVR and monitor. So this lab computer will more safety and all the student activity will monitoring from the CCTV. And also one screen is to display image or video from the projector.
After all of that, this is the time to know how much the budget needed. For the hardware, it costs about 296,910,000 rupiahs. For software, 179,643,000 rupiahs and 795,000 rupiahs for provider. So the total budget is 477,348,000 rupiahs. That's all from us. Thank you.